Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our November kit reveals. This is a new month, so we're revealing our new kits. If you don't know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club and chipboard company. We make our own laser cut chipboard, and we also do 3 monthly kits. We do a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. And what we're going to do today is go through the reveal for our November kits. Now, our kits don't come with instructions, but our designers do tutorials. We do video and photo tutorials on our YouTube channel here. And since we're talking about it, don't forget to hit the like button on this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we upload a video. So you get to create your own unique projects. You aren't recreating what we've done. It's your own pictures, it's your own work. But we do provide inspiration, and we also have a monthly challenge to help you get jump started using our kit. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into our scrapbook kit. And this is what we have for our November scrapbook kit. A lot of times we do international papers or hard to get papers, but we came across some papers that we just could not stay away from this month. So let's get started with the embellishments first. First, we've got some flowers. These are from Prima Flowers, and you get full packs for the most part of everything that comes with our kit. And you get 12 pieces of these green frosted flowers from Prima. And at Treasure Lee, if you don't know it, we love, love, love flowers. So you're going to get lots of flowers. You also get another pack of flowers. There's 10 pieces here. And these are also from Prima. Nice fall colors. And our last pack of flowers are from 49 and Market. And I absolutely love this color. You get 13 pieces here. So you get lots and lots and lots of flowers here to help create lots of layouts. And like I said, we are also a laser cut chipboard company, so we cut our own chipboard we include in kits. And for this month, you're going to get these border pieces. It's a set here, and this is our split mandala number 3. You can find that in our store. The link to our website will be listed below, but this is in the store. You can purchase that separately. And also we've got this gorgeous fall frame. How pretty is that? This is also available in our store. It can be purchased separately. Just really pretty fall frame. And what else do we have? We've got the 58 piece die cut. These are the clear plastic pieces, and these are foliage, so you're getting all kinds of fall leaves and things. Oop, dropped one. So this is what they look like. So they're nice and they're clear on the edges. So when you put them on your paper, all you're going to see is the colored image. You're not going to see, like right here, there's a piece of plastic in there, but you don't see that on your project. You'll just see what's underneath, like there's nothing there at all. So you get 58 pieces of these, which will pair nicely with our flowers. You're also going to get a 68 piece mix and match die cut pieces, and these are paper pieces. And on the back, they give you ways to, they list what they are in combinations, but you've got frames in here, you've got butterflies, you've got sayings. Just lots of fun stuff for this kit. Put that back in there. And lastly, let's get into the kit. What we've got for paper is the Vintage Artistry in Leaves, and this is by 49 and Market. And this was such a beautiful collection that I knew we just had to have it in the kit. And I think November is perfect for it. It's the fall and still around Thanksgiving. So it would be perfect for a November kit. On the front sheet, it just shows all the sheets that you get in here. But on the back, you've got an extra sheet of paper. So basically you've got 6 double-sided sheets and 1 single-sided sheet for a total of 7 sheets. But look at this paper. How beautiful is this? The nice rich fall colors. Look at that. Just absolutely gorgeous. It just screams fall, fall, fall. Just so beautiful in the colors. Doesn't it make you think of a drive in the countryside in the fall with all the turning colors of the leaves? Just stunning. Just absolutely stunning. I absolutely love this sheet. Here we go. Just beautiful, beautiful paper. Make you think of pumpkin patches and apple orchards and corn mazes. And here you've got a sheet. You can cut this up to layer behind your photos, or you can just use the whole sheet. Either way, it's absolutely beautiful paper. But also what you're getting in here are some laser cut cutouts. And these are already cut. You just punch them out. No fussy cutting, because I hate fussy cutting. But these are laser cut cutouts, and you're going to get 2 sheets of these. You've got the 1 sheet, and these are single-sided. So, and then you've got your 2nd sheet. And they're just absolutely beautiful. So that is our scrapbook kit. And if I did not mention, our scrapbook kit is $52. That includes your shipping for the US. International shipping, we have to charge actual shipping, and we can give you a shipping quote on that. You can email us, you can messenger us through Facebook, through Instagram. And if you don't know, we are on social media, so make sure you're following us on all our social media pages. Those are going to be linked down below as well. So this has been our November scrapbook kit. And if you're seeing the reveal, that means that subscribers have gotten their kits already, and there may still be some in the store. So head on over to the store and check them out. But if you don't ever want to miss out on a kit, head on over to the store and subscribe now so that you never have to miss out on another kit. Next up is going to be our cards, tags, and more kit. So our cards, tags, and more kit, this is our most versatile kit, and we call it cards, tags, and more because you never know what you're going to get from month to month. If you like smaller crafts, then this is the kit for you, because you may get something for cards, you may get something for tags, you may get something for a mini album, you may get something for ATC cards. That's why it's our cards, tags, and more kit, and it's a lot of fun. This month we've got stuff to make some jumbo fall tags. That should be fun. Or you could even make this a tag album. First off, what you're going to get is our large album-like tags. So you're going to get these 3 tags. It's the wrong side. You're going to get these 3 tags. And then along with that, you are also going to get some more of our laser cut chipboard, and this is called the Fall Bundle, and it's got 6 pieces in here, and I'll go through each piece for you because they're kind of small. Well, not that small, but it's our laser cut chipboard, and you can find this in our store. And this is a full set as well. This is under our seasonal section. So again, you can just head on over to the store and check these out. So 4, 5, 6. I've got a few extra pieces in here. Where's the 7th piece? Okay, and here's the 7th piece. So that is the full set. There are 7 pieces in here. I'm sorry, I said 6 earlier, but they're actually 7. I had a few extra pieces in there. So one good thing about cutting it yourself, you get to cut yourself some extra pieces that you like. So this is the full set of 7 pieces that you can use on your tags or however you choose to use the kit. Also, we've got some metal embellishment leaf charms. It would be nice on tags. We've got some flowers. Always have to have flowers. And we've got some ephemera. And this is from Prima Marketing, and it's their Hello Pink Autumn kit. And so we've got some ephemera, and this does have the foil on it. And for the paper for this kit is also from Prima. It's the Hello Pink Autumn kit, and you're getting the A4 size paper. So you're getting, I'll have 2 of those. 2 sheets of each paper. So you're getting 12 sheets of paper. I think that's right. 1, 2. Yes, there's 6 designs. So you're getting 12 sheets of paper. And let's just go through them. And this paper is double-sided. Really nice to make some tags or a little album, or you want to make some fall cards, then that would be fine too. But it's really not your traditional fall colors, which is what makes this really fun. This reminds me of a sweater, really nice. I think this is one of my favorite sheets right here, the little pumpkins. And I like the muted colors more so. And then you got some tags here too. You can use these as card toppers. Should be really nice. And especially since you're getting 2 of them. And there's the back side. And here's another one of my favorite sheets right here. So this is what you're getting in our Cards, Tags, and More kit. Now this kit is $42, and again that includes our shipping. And again, international, just contact us and we can give you a quote for shipping before you go ahead and purchase it. And again, this is in the store too under our Cards, Tags, and More kit. Next up, we're going to be bringing you our mixed media kit. Here is our mixed media kit. This is our 3rd kit, and this is also a standalone kit as well. What we like to do with our mixed media kit is include a project, so as soon as you get your package, you can open it up and you can go to work right away using your mediums and create a project. So what we've got in this kit to start with, we're going to go with our mediums, is you've got a full set of Prima texture paste. There's 3 jars in here. Let's open this up so you can see the colors and see what this is all about. If you've never worked with the texture paste before, you get 3 jars in the set, and they all have different textures. Meaning if you open one up, you see how gritty it is. See if you can see that. Now you open up another one, and it's gritty, but it's not as gritty. And then you open up the last one, oh, and this is the least grittiest one, and it's got some grit too, but not as much as the other ones. So these are the texture paste, and what you do is you can use a stipple brush to apply these. We will have a video using this kit. We always have a video using our mixed media kit. So again, make sure that you're subscribed down below so that you don't miss when we upload a video. To go along with that, we've also got a Prima flower vine. I love the vines because I love cutting these into pieces, and you can always, you know, stretch your flower or stretch your vine by cutting it into pieces. So I love these. So we've got that vine. We've also got some of the Prima wax. Remember, it used to come in the little round tin. Now it's in the tube, and this is one of the newer colors. This one is a matte wax, and it's in the color Old White. So this one won't have any shimmer to it at all. And again, we'll go into more detail in the video using all these projects. And speaking of projects, what is our project? Our project is a custom cut wooden frame that you get to put together. You're going to get all the pieces. And let's see if I can do a quick job of putting this together for you real quick. And that's the wrong side. Like I said, there will be a video on this, putting the frame together. Oh, I did all that backwards. So, okie dokie. So that's kind of like it for the moment, for right now, and until we put the rest of the pieces in. But that's going to be our frame that we are going to go ahead and alter. And here's the back part of it. But this is your frame. It's kind of hard to see there. But this is what it looks like. And these are the sides. And we're going to use everything in the kit to go ahead and alter this frame. So this is our mixed media kit. This kit is $47, which includes your shipping. And it's on our website as well too. All you have to do is go to our website at www.trejoliekits.com and click on the shop button, and you will find all of our kits. You'll find some past kits. You'll find these new kits, whatever's left available. Sometimes they tend to sell out before reveal. Last month the kit sold out before reveal. And while you're on the website, make sure you sign up for our newsletter so you'll get updates. We've got a couple of limited edition items coming shortly. You may even see a video for those posted soon. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this has been Kim for Trejolie Kits. Thanks for watching. Bye.